Welcome back, science enthusiasts. November 2024 has been packed with jaw-dropping discoveries and critical updates from the world of science. Today, we're counting down the top 5 science stories of the month, from monumental milestones in space exploration to critical health updates. Stick around, because the number 1 story is something everyone on the planet needs to hear. Starting at number 5, we have a sobering report from the World Meteorological Organization. 2024 is officially on track to be the hottest year ever recorded. That's hotter than 2023, which already shattered records. This analysis, shared at COP29 in Baku, Azerbaijan, highlights alarming trends like rising ocean heat, melting glaciers, and extreme weather events. Scientists are calling this a wake-up call. With global temperatures soaring, the pressure is on world leaders to take bold climate action. But don't worry, we'll keep an eye on this at the UN Climate Conference. Now, from burning hot temperatures, we're heading to the icy depths of the universe. For the first time ever, we've captured a close-up image of a star outside our galaxy. Using the Very Large Telescope Interferometer, astronomers zoomed in on WOHG 64, a massive star 1,500 times the size of our Sun, located in the Large Magellanic Cloud. The star is dimming and shedding material, hinting at the final stages of its life. While it won't explode into a supernova for thousands of years, this rare glimpse gives scientists a front-row seat to the dramatic process of stellar death. How cool is that? Speaking of bold frontiers, let's take a trip to the moon for our next story. At number 3, NASA's futuristic moon homes are one step closer to reality. Scientists are developing towering habitats made entirely from lunar rock, mined by robotic excavators. This groundbreaking technology could pave the way for sustainable living on the moon, and maybe even Mars. These 3D printed structures will protect astronauts from radiation and extreme temperatures, lasting at least a decade. With NASA's Artemis 3 mission just a couple of years away, the dream of a permanent lunar station is closer than ever. But now, let's zoom back to Earth for an unexpected battle between humans and machines. Who would have guessed that artificial intelligence would make a splash in poetry? A new study from the University of Pittsburgh found that people actually prefer AI-generated poems over human-written ones. These AI verses are rated as more emotional, original, and relatable, even outshining classics by Shakespeare and Dickinson. While some argue that AI lacks the depth of human creativity, this study proves that machine-generated art is evolving rapidly. Who knows? Maybe your next favorite poem will come from a robot. And now, it's time for our most pressing story, one that affects millions of lives around the world. At number 1, we face a global health crisis. Measles cases surged to 10.3 million in 2023, a 20% increase from the previous year. According to the WHO and CDC, inadequate vaccine coverage is the driving force behind this alarming rise. While measles is preventable with 2 doses of the vaccine, over 22 million children missed their first dose last year. The consequences are devastating. Outbreaks in 57 countries, mostly in vulnerable regions, have left over 107,000 dead, mostly young children. Global vaccination efforts need urgent investment to prevent further loss of life. November's stories remind us of both the challenges we face and the incredible ingenuity of science. From cosmic milestones to health emergencies, there's always a way forward. What was your favorite story of the month? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing science news.